If TrialPad is your presentation tool, you've said TranscriptPad is where you've seen the clearest return.
Yeah.
Why is that?
So it used to be, and many on here are going to know, and Tom Oakes knows, they're experts at Trial Director. And Trial Director used to be the software platform that I would use and spend countless hours trying to create video clips. And it was labor intensive, at least for me, because I didn't use it frequently enough. I wasn't really skilled at it, and I would quickly lose the fine marred or the multiple steps I would have to take. TranscriptPad is such a game changer. So you get a TXT copy of your transcript and you put it into TranscriptPad, which I've used for years to create summaries and to organize the text of a document. But then you added this feature where you could upload the video file. What is phenomenal to me is how well this is done, because the software so easily synchronizes the text with the video. And so now you have the platform for making your own clips. And the beauty of it is that in real time, if you want to play a clip because something just came up for the need for impeaching someone, you touch this line, you touch that line, and you hit play clip, and it plays the clip. So there is no product out there that I've seen that comes close to this level of ease of setup, and then the amazing ease of picking a clip to play without having to build it in advance. So it is a complete game changer. And for those of you that have done this, and many have many, many times, the reading of a transcript for purposes of impeachment is ineffective usually. It doesn't have the power of seeing the witness having just said one thing on the stand and just said another on a video clip that you play. So I had a legal malpractice case a few years ago where I had the benefit of the underlying trial video. I had the video deposition that I had taken, and I would show the judge side by side clips of what he said at trial and what he said in the deposition, and both of them were different than what he said on the stand. And we won the case because of that. But it was the ability to impeach with the person's real voice, his face. Yeah, it is a game changer, Hillary.